Ramayana is an ancient Sanskrit epic which follows Prince Ram quest to rescue his beloved wife Sita from the clutches of Ravan with the help of an army of monkeys. It is traditionally attributed to the authorship of sage Valmiki and dated to around 500 BCE and 100 BCE. A brief summary of Ramayana. Ram, prince of Ayodhya, who won the hand of beautiful princess Sita, but was exiled with her and his brother Lakshman for 14 years through the plotting of his stepmother. In the forest, Sita was abducted by Ravan, and Rama gathered an army of monkeys and bears to search for Sita and rescued Sita. In order to prove her chastity, Sita entered fire but was vindicated by the gods and restored to her husband. After the couple's victorious return to Ayodhya, Rama's righteous rule, Ramraj, inaugurated a golden age of all mankind. Characters of Ramayana. Ram is the hero of Ramayana epic, an incarnation of God Vishnu, the eldest and favorite son of Dashrath, king of Ayodhya. He is virtuous prince and is much loved by the people. He is exiled from Ayodhya due to the plotting of his stepmother Kaikeyi. Sita is Ram's wife and daughter of King Janak of Mithila. Sita is the epitome of womanly purity and virtue. Lakshman is Ram's younger brother, completely loyal to Ram. He chooses to go with Ram and Sita when they were exiled from Ayodhya. Ravan. Ravan is a king of Lanka and has 10 heads and 20 arms. He received a boon from God Brahma that he cannot be killed by gods, demons, or by spirits after performing a severe penance for 10,000 years. And after receiving his reward from Brahma, Ravan began to lay waste to the earth and disturb the deeds of the good Hindu sages. Vishnu incarnates as human Ram to defeat him, assisted by an army of monkeys and bears, thus circumventing the boon given by Brahma. Dashrath, a king of Ayodhya, Rama's father. Kaushalya is Ram's mother, Dashrath's chief wife. Kaikeyi is Dashrath's wife and Ram's stepmother. She demands that Ram be banished to the forest and that her son Bharat be rewarded the kingdom instead. Bharat is the second son of Dashrath, which he learns when he learns that his mother Kaikeyi has forced Ram to exile, causing Dashrath to die broken-hearted. He storms out of the palace and goes in search of Ram. When Ram refuses to return from his exile to assume the throne, Bharat obtains Ram's sandals and places them on the throne as a gesture that Ram is a true king. Sumitra. Sumitra is Dashrath's wife and mother of twins Lakshman and Shatrughan. Hanuman. Hanuman is a wise and resourceful monkey who helps Ram in the quest to defeat Ravans and rescue Sita. Sugriv is the ruler of Monkey Kingdom. His throne was taken by his brother Bali, but Rama helps him to defeat the usurper in return for his assistance in finding Sita. Ramayana stories embodies the Hindu idea of dharma, that is duty, behaving correctly according to one's position and role in the society. Thus, Ram is portrayed as an ideal son and ruler. Sita is devoted wife, Lakshman as a perfect brother. But the struggle between Ram and Ravan also represent the triumph of good over evil. Ram is identified as the seventh incarnation, that is avatar of Hindu god Vishnu, the preserver who descends to earth whenever evil threatens to overturn cosmic order. The Ramayana is therefore both a great human story and a central text of Hindu devotionalism.